Hello class 6. Today once again we are going to see the Scratch programming. So in our last class we have learned what is the Scratch programming and what are the components of the Scratch editor. So components of the Scratch editors were discussed in our last class and different components, and in our today class we are going to learn that how to change the backdrop or background of the stage. See, this is stage area. You must have noticed one thing, that this Scratch screen is different from the last class, what was taught in the last class. If you remember, in class 5 we have taught you a Scratch 1.4, but in the class 6 book it is given a Scratch 2. So we are going to learn from the Scratch 2 only. This is the advanced version. So what we are going to learn now, how to change the backdrop, means background of the stage. So see, we have some steps. The steps are: first step, select and click on an icon from the list of backdrop icons. A backdrop library window will be displayed. Select a specific category or theme from the left pane of the window. Various backdrop designs matching your category or theme will be appear on the right pane of the window. Select an appropriate backdrop and click OK. The backdrop will be displayed. We can also set the sprite at an appropriate position on the screen. Take the mouse pointer on the sprite and click the left button of the mouse. Now let us see one by one. So see, first you come here, left side, click on the new backdrop. See, the many background designs are there. Many are there. So whichever you want, suppose you want this one, spotlight. So double click. So see, the background is changed. The backdrop is changed. So very simple. Now if you want to move this cat, it is in the center of the screen. Suppose you want in the corner. Just bring the mouse pointer, press the left mouse button and drag it at a corner wherever you want. In the corner wherever you want, you can place the sprite there. See, okay, so this way you can place. So it's very simple. Once again, so what is the steps? Select and click on an icon from the list of backdrop icons. Select a specific category. Select an appropriate backdrop. The backdrop will be displayed. We can also set the sprite at an appropriate position on the screen. Take the mouse pointer on the sprite. Click the left button of the mouse. Okay. So once again, see, first you come here, click on the new backdrop. Backdrops will come. Whichever you want, you can take. Suppose blue sky. See, blue sky. Now see, the next topic is changing the backdrop. You have created a backdrop, but it is not suitable for your animation. Then you can change the backdrop. To change the backdrop, follow step 1 to 4 in the same order as discussed. Step 1, select and click an icon from the list of backdrop icons. A backdrop library window will be displayed. Step 2, select a specific category or theme from the left pane. Step 3, select an appropriate backdrop and click OK. Step 4, the backdrop will be displayed. So this first 4 steps only we have to repeat to change the backdrop if you are not satisfied. So just open the sprite, go to new backdrop. Go to new backdrop. Now suppose you want this baseball field. Double click. Just double click to select, and it will be changed. Backdrop is changed. Alright. So today I have learned just now to change the backdrop or background of the stage. Now next is how to change the sprite. Now see how to change the sprite. You may remove one sprite and produce another sprite to meet your requirement. To change a sprite, perform the following steps. Click on the delete option on the menu bar of the Scratch window. Set the mouse pointer on the unwanted sprite and click the left button of the mouse. Now click on any one of the new sprite icons. A sprite library window will appear. on the screen, select any category or theme from the list and click on a suitable object. Finally, click the OK button on the lower pane of the window and the new sprite appears on the stage. So this was the how to create the how to change the sprite. So just see the steps. Open the Scratch. Now here's the delete button on the top. Here's the delete button. Click on the delete button. Now come and press the left mouse button on the sprite. Sprite is gone. Now here the new sprite. Click on the new sprite. And suppose you want this airplane. Click on the airplane. See, sprite is changed. Suppose this also you don't want. Click on the delete button. Click on the airplane. Click on the delete button. Click on the airplane. Gone. Come to new sprite. Suppose you want this basketball. Click on the basketball. Now see, the sprite is changed. Okay. So today what we have discussed, how to change the stage of the background of the stage, and how to change the sprite. Now once again I'll show you how to change the sprite. Just click on the delete button. Click on the sprite whatever you have taken. Go to the new sprite area. Suppose you want this bananas. Click on the bananas. And now see the sprite. The cat is replaced by bananas. So this way we can change the sprite. And how to change the background? Go to the new backdrops. And a list will come, and select from there, and you can take the new one. So it's very simple. You will not find it difficult. The steps are very clear. Open the Scratch. Go to the new backdrop. Suppose bedroom. Open the bedroom. It is changed. And you save it from the file menu. If you are satisfied, you save from here. In the same way, today I have taught you how to change the sprite also. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Learn all the steps.